In this tutorial, you will learn how to test the prehension strength of your patient thanks to the K-grip. In order to do so, turn the K-grip on by pressing the small orange button. The light turns green. Hand the K-grip to your patient. Choose in the app the grip evaluation, also known as the prehension force. An explanation of the test will be displayed, along with an introduction, the equipment you will need, the configuration, how to explain the exercise to your patient, and some references to what we have used to develop this test. Your patient has to sit up straight, and his elbow has to make an angle of 90 degrees. He also has to adopt a neutral pronosupination rotation. Here we go. The patient will have to squeeze the grip as much as he can with his right hand, and then do the same thing with the left one. The sequence is pre-programmed, but keep in mind that you can modify any setting that you like. The grip is now connected. The test will start in 5 seconds. Ask the patient to squeeze as tight as he can. Then, onto the left hand. Do the exact same thing. The grip test is now over. You will receive an immediate tracking record of the test, with the maximal strength, the symmetry, and some values, such as the average, the rate of force development, the time until the maximum, and the fatigue.